world's installations are aging. Corrosion, fatigue, and years of wear and tear are making asset integrity a growing challenge, both offshore and onshore. Stud bolt corrosion on pressurized flanges poses a particular risk of high consequence failures. Maintaining live connections usually has to wait until a scheduled shutdown. But failures don't have a diary. A solution was needed. A way to safely replace corroded bolts on smaller live flange connections without disrupting production. Stork Technical Services got to work.
The challenge was to find a way to replace corroded bolts while maintaining the joint integrity of the assembled connection. The Stork team began by designing a hydraulic system to apply even compression to the joint. Existing ultrasonic measuring technology was then reverse engineered to accurately measure the load on the bolts. New bespoke hardware then had to combine a robust clamp design with a miniature tension tool capable of generating sufficient force while small enough to work in tight spaces. And the result? The hot bolt clamp.
Prototypes were developed and tested extensively in the harsh North Sea environment.
The ultrasonic bolt load monitor first assesses the datum length of each bolt. 4 hot bolt clamps are placed around the connection, adjusted, and an even hydraulic compression applied. During load application by the clamps, the offload of each individual bolt is recorded.
The bolts are then individually replaced and tightened to replicate the original bolt extension. Hydraulic pressure is then gradually released to precisely reinstate the connection to its original state.
The hot bolt clamp is a game changer. Equipped with a range of sizes to suit a range of connections, a small 2-man team can now replace weak or corroded bolts on live connections quickly and safely.
The hot bolt clamp saves time and money. A 2-man team can change out up to 6 live connections per shift. By replacing the bolts while live, precious shutdown time and resources can be targeted at other valuable maintenance work. The hot bolt clamp is not only fast and cost effective, it's also safe with a 100% success rate. And with no need for shutdown, installations can react quickly should the connection pose a risk of failing. After the first deployment in the North Sea in 2011, the likes of Chevron, BP, Shell and BHP Billiton have all benefited from the increased productivity of the hot bolt clamp.
The asset integrity challenge will only get tougher. Aging assets, together with tighter regulation, places a huge responsibility and cost across the energy industries. The Stork hot bolt clamp is a smart, safe and productive tool to help upgrade your assets both offshore and onshore. From small bore connections to 4-bolt flanges, the hot bolt clamp can save you time and money while helping to keep your assets and people safe.